Welcome to your safe space. I'm Pallavi, and today I've designed this short 10-minute practice so you can start your day not with intensity but with movement, breath, circulation, and a little bit of kindness towards yourself. So let's get started. Take a comfortable seat, spine tall, and send your hands up into the sky, reaching up, lengthening. You can also interlock your fingers and give a nice juicy stretch to the whole spine. Breathe gently. And with exhalation, bring your hands back to the mat. Interlock your fingers and just start making small circles with your hands, warming up the arms, the forearms, the wrists. Breathe. So these simple movements, we're going to make them mindful. So every time you get an opportunity, notice the sensations in the area that we are moving. You can also close your eyes. Breathe. All right. Bring your arms out into a cactus shape. And as you inhale, squeeze the shoulder blades towards each other. So take your arms behind you. And as you exhale, bring your arms forward, palms to touch. Look down. Again, inhale, open the chest. You can look up. Exhale, rounding the spine, palms to touch or the forearms touch. Choose the option that works for you today. Inhale. Exhale, rounding, looking down. Inhale and exhale, round, look down. Come back to center, take a breath in. Now we're going to take an all fours position. This is also called as tabletop. Your wrists are right under your shoulders and your knees are right under your hips. Start by rocking back and forth a few times. And we're just going to move the hips from side to side. If there's a lot of stiffness, especially in your lower back, this might be enough for you. You can stay with this movement. If you want to create a little more space, this is very comfortable. Start making circular movements. Other side, just doing 3 in each direction. As you inhale, open your arms up to the sky. As you exhale, threading the needle. So arm goes from inside. Shoulders can come on the mat. Inhale, open the chest, reach up. Don't force. Work with your range. Exhale down. If coming all the way down is too much for you, you can take a cushion or a block to support the shoulders and the head. Last one, the 5th one. Inhale and exhale, reach. We're going to hold this one. Don't let the hips sway to one side. So keep bringing the hips back to center. Breathe. And then using the palm coming back all the way to tabletop. One more time. Let's go for the other side. If you want to take a break, you can. I'm ready to go to the other side. So this time the other arm, left arm reaches up. Inhale. And as you exhale, reach forward. You can also go all the way down. Inhale. Exhale, reaching forward. Using the cushion or a block if needed. Inhale. Exhale, reach. So we are doing 5 in each direction or for each arm. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, we're going to hold this. This is the 5th one. Bringing the hips back to center, breathe. And gently pushing back into tabletop. Sit back into child's pose. This is called wide child's pose. So we're keeping the thighs wide apart and just allowing the chest to sink down. Forehead can be on the mat, or you can stack your fists and support your forehead. So this feels very grounding. Keep your belly soft and take deep, relaxed breaths. Sit at the center of your mat now and extend your legs out to the side. So your heels are grounded and your feet are flexed. So don't keep them loose and limp. They're flexed and active. And we're going to move the legs from side to side a couple of times. Use your hands to support. Don't completely collapse. So keeping the chest lifted. And majority of the weight is on the hips. Hands are just supporting. If this is comfortable, you can keep going. If you want to go a little deeper, after a few rounds, maybe your legs will begin to come a little closer to the floor. So drop. Let's add the breath now. Inhale, center, exhale over to the side. So I'm not pressing or forcing the legs to come down. I'm just allowing them to sink down to their range. It should feel like a nice release. After these morning stretches, I am back. I feel so good. All right. Now for the next one, you can either sit with your legs crossed, or if it's comfortable, you can also sit in Vajrasan. I prefer sitting in Vajrasan. And inhale, center. We're going to stretch. Inhale, opening up the side body. Exhale over to the other side. Inhale, center, lengthen. Exhale. Whether you're seated on the floor with your legs crossed, or you're on a chair, or you're in Vajrasan, we're not letting the buttocks lift up. So your sitting bones stay grounded. Last one, inhale, lengthen. And exhale. Let's hold this for 3 breaths. 1, 2. You can also look up at your hands, only if your neck feels comfortable. And 3. Come back to center. Inhale, lengthen, and exhale over to the other side for 3 breaths. 1, keep grounding the sitting bones. 2, reach up with your fingertips. And 3, come back to center. Inhale and exhale. Notice the shoulders, the arms, the spine, the hips. I'm sure you feel some release, some relief. We're going to find a squat or malasan. Initially, if your heels are not reaching the floor, that's fine. You can fold the mat to support the heels, or just let them stay up. If you are able to ground them, then great. Please ground them. Also, if you're feeling stiffness around your ankles right in the morning, you can do some ankle rotations, ankle stretches, and then go for malasan. All right, now from here, option number 1, fingertips on the floor, or you can use yoga blocks or a small chair to elevate your hands. Inhale, open the chest, look up. Exhale, we're going to straighten the legs and come into a forward fold. If you have a lot of tightness around the hamstrings or your back is hurting, keep a nice generous bend in your knees. You don't have to straighten completely. Again, inhale, coming into your malasan. Open the chest. Exhale into the forward fold. If this is very comfortable, you can remove the blocks, ground the palms, or you can hold your feet. So inhale, open the chest. So you can Use your arms to open the thighs a little more and exhale down, forward fold, either with the knees soft, or if you're very comfortable, straighten the legs a little bit more, feel the stretch in the hamstrings. Inhale. This is called as Vayu Nishkasan. So this is a mobility exercise, but in yoga, since we work with energy, this is a great way to improve the energy flow to the lower body, lower chakras, and also help with your digestion, help with your circulation. So excellent practice to do in the morning. So this is not just stretch, stretch, stretch. This also builds strength and resilience. Inhale. Let's do this one last time. Exhale. Now this time when you come into this forward fold, fingertips or palms on the floor. I'm not excessively rounding my back. I'm maintaining a nice length hinging from the hip. Inhale. You can stay here, or if you want to go a little deeper, bring your feet a little wider. Option to drop onto your forearms only if it's comfortable. If this is not working out for you, please stay here. So morning practices, you can explore, you can play around, you can widen the distance if you are very comfortable. We have already warmed up well, so this should feel good. You can go down onto your forearms. Hold here. You can also support the head. Breathe. Gently coming out, walking your feet in. Now coming back to sit. Placing your hands at the center of your chest. Notice how your body feels after today's practice. Maybe a little more open. Maybe the breath feels easier, deeper. Take one more deep breath here. Exhale through the mouth. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Remember, you don't have to start your day rushed. Your mornings can be slow and it just takes 10 minutes. Have a great rest of the day.